In this video, I am going to show you that how you can build your own hacking methodology to hack any website. I'll show you that how I made my methodology and I'm doing the same. So type Recon bug bounty hunting or Recon in hacking or cybersecurity, you can type, and then pick the people which are on the top, like namsek Recon methodologies. So Recon is the first step that you need to understand and need to do in order to start hacking in website. I picked their best of the best videos that I think that are good, and then I moved in the description section, and here you can see that there is a short transcription. I clicked on it. Basically, I have installed this vidIQ tool where it allows us to copy the transcript. That there is also a new feature called ask questions with Gemini. You can ask the Gemini that I need the transcript of this video. You will be able to extract. In that way, I just go to every video's description and pick their transcripts and copy and save them in a txt file in that way with the video title and the transcripts. And then I move to the DeepSeek and given this prompt, right, generate a Recon methodology for me on the basis of the tips from this given script. Make sure don't miss any. I paste it here, my whole this transcript, right. I'll link this transcript and I'll link also PDF that I made, and in that way you can generate your own methodology, and this will give you all the necessary things that you have to do in order to start hacking the website. And the next thing, it will not able to generate the PDF, so you can come to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will not take long text, but DeepSeek will do, and then paste the response of the DeepSeek here. It will allow you to generate this PDF. So I'm gonna take this paper.com, and then you have to create a new brand new txt file and paste that paper.com here. But I do basically I follow this Recon methodology PDF that I made on the basis of these videos and a lot of learning. To simply copy paste these commands, and in my terminal first I make a directory mkdir, and here I'm making a directory called YT Recon. I'm going to cd YT Recon, and inside that directory now I use basically this tool which is called Sudemy. I have already made a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel. I have used these tools a lot because it will do all the things, and now I have made this PDF as well. I'm following both things. This framework, this will do everything for me, right? And then I'll do my own Recon. In that way I have the more coverage. So don't worry, I will paste this PDF. You can also generate your the one on the basis of the videos that you pick, that you think that these are the ones that I want to adapt, right? And the next thing what you need to do is just my methodology I'm going to show you in a real quick manner. I just came here and paste this command, and I have already installed this tool. And if you don't know how to install, we just have to follow the installation guide, right? There is an installation guide. Yes, get clone, and this command just simply paste it here inside your repository, and it will allow you to do the same, right? It is a really fun tool. You should use it. And on the basis of this command, what I do, I just paste my website URL, the main domain which I wanna hack, right? I paste it here, and what it will do, it will just go and collect everything for my target, right? Here I will remove the DNS probe because I don't have the DNS key, and after that I'm going to open this new terminal, and I have installed already the Sudemy tool. I'm just going to enter it, right? And after entering the Sudemy tool, what you need to do is just paste this command that I have copied, and it will allow you to run all these tools called Shodan, Web Archive, DNS Dumpster, Virus Total, Cert Spotter, Cert SH, Binary Edge, and everything, right? It will take some time. If sometime it is going to stuck, sometime it will not stuck. So make sure to rerun it if it is not working properly. But it's an amazing tool. If it gives you the result, these results are amazing. The next thing is you can build your own methodology using this PDF. In that way, after you do the Recon in a correct way, then you are free to do whatever you want to do by going manually, right? The second thing that I mostly do is go on the census website, which is awesome because it sometimes gives you the origin IP, and I'm going to paste it here, the with this and hit the search. My tools are running at that time, and I am going to explore something further, right? On the basis of these results, I can take a bigger picture of my target, that what are the things and what are and the technologies are being used at there. And the other thing, I use mostly this weaponizer tool, which is really awesome because it will provide you the technologies that websites is using. Let's say here is the caching server called WebNesh, and HSTS is another one, and bunch of other. So in that way, you can map your attack surface a really good way. And then you just have to visit these URLs, these IPs, organization PayPal Inc. If it's available at there, it means that it's from the PayPal. This subdomain is from the PayPal. And the last thing that I do use most of the time is called Shodan. So you should use it because it's free, and here you can see that there's 403 forbidden. Now how can I deal with this 403 forbidden if it's site is not allowing us to give the 403 forbidden? So there is an awesome tool which is called No More 403, which I use most of the time. And if you are interested in this tool, just type it here, No More 403. I will link this in description as well. And after the installation, here you can see that get clone, cd, no more, go git, and go build. And the installation step is really straightforward. And then after the installation, what you need to do is No More 403, move inside the directory of the No More 403, and then you can type No More 403 -u and the URL that you want to hack. And if there is any payload, you can specify the F flag, and it will allow you to use your custom payloads. If you are not interested on custom payloads, you can run simply other commands as well, right? And here I'll show you. Let me visit this website. If it gives me the 403, let's say I'm going to try on this. Okay, so my framework is running. You can see it is giving me a lot of data. So this is the best part of this framework. It will use a bunch of tools in order to get you a really good results. So what I will do, I'll move back from the directory that I was in, and I will move in the directory which is called No More 403, cd No More 403. I have already installed this tool. If you don't know how to install, this is really simple. You just have to give the command to the ChatGPT, how to install No More 403, or give me the commands to install. Just copy paste them on your terminal. You are good to go, right? There's nothing suspicious or anything that you don't know how to bypass. Now, how to bypass 403s? 403s are really interesting ones, and I have really quite success with 403s. I have bypassed it most of the time using these tricks. So you can use it too. Like here I will type ls, and you can see that there are the payload section, and No More 403 is available. I use this command called /no more403-u and https, and after that I'm going to use my No More 403 URL, which is this one, right? Which is not allowing us to access this. And if you hit this will, what it will do, it will try every HTTP post, put, trace, head, connect, a lot of HTTP verbs, and then it will try to add the hosts, you can say the headers, like X forwarded headers, and a lot. So in that way you can build your own methodology and hack this website as well. And my last technique that I want to show you is really simple. I use this tool most of the time, which is called, this is the best tool. I have already made a video on this. To check out this extension, which is made by a great researcher, Hossein Taha, you just have to move Hossein php/webarchive to the GitHub website, and after that click on the code and click on the download zip button. And after that, what you have to do, now I am going to remove my previous extension, and now I am going to load it and load and pack button. And after that you have to move the desktop where your folder is located, and select the folder which you have downloaded. Before this you should to just unzip that folder, and after that you have to
make this pen, and now you are going to move your target.com. For example, this is my target.com. I am going to click at there and click on the go. Now this will bring us all of these endpoints from the github.com. Now I can find the bugs and analyze all of these.